What if an electric car could make your heart race just like a gasoline-powered sports car? That's exactly what Hyundai is aiming for with the all-new 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6N, built for speed, precision, and excitement. This isn't just another EV, it's a performance machine designed to thrill. At first glance, the Ioniq 6N stands out with a much more aggressive appearance than the standard model. It features wider fenders, a lower stance, larger wheels, performance tires, and a massive rear wing that gives it a true track-ready look. Every detail isn't just for style, it also improves aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. Power comes from a dual-motor all-wheel drive system producing up to 641 horsepower with N-Grin boost activated. That allows the Ioniq 6N to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. Its top speed reaches around 160 miles per hour, putting it in the same conversation as many high-performance sports sedans. The car is powered by an 84 kilowatt-hour battery that delivers strong performance while maintaining impressive driving range. Hyundai has also developed advanced battery cooling systems that help the car perform consistently during repeated hard acceleration and track driving. One of the biggest surprises is how engaging the driving experience feels. Hyundai introduced simulated gear shifts and engine-inspired sounds that make the car feel more connected and exciting. While it doesn't have a traditional engine, these features add a sense of involvement that's often missing from electric vehicles. Handling is another major highlight. An electronically controlled suspension, upgraded brakes, and performance-focused chassis tuning help the Ioniq 6N stay planted through corners while remaining comfortable enough for daily driving. Whether you're on a winding road or a racetrack, it's built to inspire confidence. Inside, the cabin combines modern technology with sporty design. Performance seats provide excellent support, while digital displays offer real-time driving data, lap timing, power distribution, and battery information. Premium materials and advanced connectivity complete the experience. The 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6N proves that electric performance has entered a new era. It delivers incredible acceleration, sharp handling, bold styling, and innovative technology in one exciting package. For drivers who thought electric cars couldn't be fun, Hyundai may have just changed their minds. Would you choose the Hyundai Ioniq 6N over a traditional performance sedan? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos covering the latest cars from around the world. What do you think about the new Hyundai Ioniq 6N? Would you choose it over a traditional sports sedan? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive news, reviews, and new car reveals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.